Most people will never escape being broke, and it's not because they don't work hard. The system is designed to keep you struggling. Let me show you how to break free. You can work hard, cut back on expenses, even make more money, but if you don't fix these mistakes, you'll stay broke forever. You might think you're doing everything right, but the truth is, the system is designed to keep you struggling. And the worst part? Most people fall into these traps without even realizing it. But here's the good news. Once you know how this works, you can break free. So let's talk about the 3 biggest reasons people stay broke, and more importantly, how to escape. Real quick, before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's one money mistake you regret the most? I'll be reading every response. I really do want to hear from you. This is where almost everyone goes wrong. You might not even realize you're doing this, but it's keeping you broke. Mistake number 1. Broke people think about money the wrong way. The mistake. Most people think their problem is not making enough money, but the real issue is how they manage the money they already have. Meet Sarah. She got a $5,000 raise and immediately upgraded her car. 6 months later, she's drowning in payments again. Sound familiar? This is lifestyle inflation. Your spending increases as your income does. The fix. Treat raises and extra income like wealth-building tools, rather than an excuse to increase spending. Automate savings, set a spending cap, and resist the urge to buy big-ticket items on credit. Never let your lifestyle outpace your income. Oh, by the way, if you've ever upgraded your car, apartment, or house right after getting a raise, you've fallen into this trap. Be honest. What's the worst lifestyle inflation purchase you've made? Drop it in the comments. Takeaway. If you don't control your money, someone else will. Let's take it further. Think about how many times you've said, "I'll start saving next month," but something always comes up. What if instead of waiting, you set up automatic savings today? Even if it's just $10, that's a start. We all start somewhere, usually broke. But the difference between those who stay broke and those who build wealth? Small, consistent actions. Every dollar saved, every smart financial move, it all adds up. No one wakes up financially free. We all start from the bottom, figuring things out as we go. But the truth is, small amounts add up. Whether it's saving an extra $5 a day or cutting one unnecessary expense, everything counts. Most successful people didn't start with money. They started with small, intentional choices. $10 saved today, $50 invested next week. It may not seem like much, but over time, these small steps create massive change. Case study. Mike thought a 6-figure salary would make him financially secure. But after a year of mindless spending, he was still paycheck to paycheck. The problem wasn't his income. It was his spending habits. Once he started tracking his money and cutting unnecessary expenses, he built a $20,000 savings buffer in a year. Small changes add up fast. Oh, and stick around, because the last mistake is the one that keeps even high-income earners broke. Mistake number 2. Broke people trade time for money. The mistake, relying only on a paycheck, means your income is limited by how many hours you can work. Example. Jason thought earning 6 figures meant financial security until he realized he was still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because he depended entirely on his salary, with no investments or other income streams. The fix. Start separating your income from your time. Pick a high-income skill, copywriting, coding, sales. Build a scalable income stream, a side hustle, a digital product. Invest in passive income sources, dividends, rental properties. If you had to make $1,000 in the next 30 days without working more hours, how would you do it? Drop your ideas in the comments. Takeaway. If your income stops when you stop working, you don't have financial security. You have a time trap. Mistake number 3. Broke people avoid learning about money. Example. People spend thousands of hours scrolling social media, but never spend time learning about investing, debt, or making more money. The knowledge gap is what keeps people broke. The fix: treat financial education like a life or death skill. Read one personal finance book a month. Start with the psychology of money. Track your spending for 30 days. Awareness equals control. Follow successful people, not broke friends giving bad advice. What if scenario? What if you started today with just $5 a day? Over time, that could turn into thousands. The key is consistency. If you're done being broke, the only way out is to start thinking differently about money. The real question is, which of these mistakes have you been making? Type, "I'm taking control" in the comments. Let's see how many people are ready to break free. Now that you know why most people stay broke, the next step is learning to break free, for good. And that starts with mastering how to live below your means. Trust me, it's not about deprivation. It's about control. It's about taking control of your money. If you're ready to stop paycheck to paycheck stress and finally build real financial security, watch this video, How to Live Below Your Means. It's packed with simple but powerful strategies to help you keep more of your money and start getting ahead. See you there.